Hamburglar, Chris Brown. Those are only a few names we've been called for centuries. But do we deserve this kind of attitude? I mean, what on earth have we done to deserve such? Oh, never mind. Latest news, another raccoon lost. Interviewed some citizens. Their only question is, why?
Why do we do this? Why are we doing that? It's the way people's actions are. I don't know. Why is it only about the money? Why are we fighting each other? Why don't we love each other? Why? Dude, I don't know. Why are we beating up the ones that we love? Why? I don't know. That's just the way it is. Why do little kids have to die in the streets? Why? God only knows, Ringo. Well, why? Ringo, I don't know, dude.
Some of you may think of us as a threat, but remember that we're only a bunch of cute grape-eating creatures.